How to add AI traffic in BeamNG Drive. Now, this method is very easy. It's just a few clicks away and you're done. So first things first is open up BeamNG Drive via Steam where you would like to play the game too. And the next thing to do for you to be able to have an access with the main menu, instead of pressing ESC or the escape button from your keyboard, just simply press E on your keys. And then from there, just simply choose on AI. Now, AI setting has an option that says spawn traffic. It will be automatically be spawned with a number of cars depending on your GPU, but it's better to customize it. Once you selected traffic, you should be able to access AI settings. So you can change the number of cars, spawning it, the speed limit, respawn rate, the risk, and then make sure that the AI mode is set into traffic. Once everything is done, just simply hit on spawn and wait a couple of seconds, and then the traffic will be there. And that's it. That's how you add AI traffic in BeamNG Drive.